Hey, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be actually talking about beard care, beard routines, and stuff like that. What I do to keep my beard healthy, and some of the places people mess up and stuff. And so, right off the bat, I'm going to talk to you about one of the most important things is going to come down to beard hygiene. A lot of people, some of them are wearing masks and stuff like that, so you're breathing and you're trapping a lot of moisture. And of course, your body has natural body oils and all of that with the dirt, the grime, and everything that builds up inside your beard. And that actually can breed bacteria and other really unhealthy things for your skin. So if you're having breakouts and other issues, because of bacteria and stuff like that, it's not going to help your beard grow. And so, part of your routine really has to be washing your beard and stuff. I'm also going to show you how to clean up this area right through here and under here. But I usually use like Beard Struggle products. I like them. I'm an affiliate. My link will be down in the description below if you want to order some. You do get a discount, by the way. But basically, it's going to be important to wash your beard. And so, right off the bat, I'm going to wet my beard. And I normally don't do my routine at a sink, honestly. And so, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of weird and awkward, but reality is, I've almost used this whole bottle up. I'm gonna have to get more. That's not good. I'm constantly having to get stuff. Beards, if you take care of them right, they end up being awesome. And honestly, I didn't know how to take care of my beard like properly at first when I tried the first time to grow a beard. That's not a flattering look, right? So, since I've never really washed my beard on camera, let's not talk too much crap. Just saying, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so obviously it makes sense that you could get bacteria building up in the hair of your beard, right? And I know a lot of us, we use these beard brushes. I have a beard brush. I love the crap out of it. I make sure to clean it. It's just like if you have a face towel or a hand towel. And, I should not try to shave. I was trying to shave in the camera. Guys, let's not do that. Okay. Because honestly, we don't want our beards to go up to our eyes unless that's the look they're going for. And so, see under here, this under area under my neck. Now, there's arguments on that. Some guys say that if your beard is long, it's pointless to shave under the neck. I still shave under my neck, I'm going to be honest. So, I do hope you guys are all having a great day. Okay. Okay, now, got everything shaved under my neck. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. Okay, so now, I know, right? This is why I don't do this in the sink. For you guys. I'm going to grab the conditioner. I like Asgard's Secret and that, I can't remember what it is. It's some kind of lightning or thunder or something. I don't know. Delicious smell. And it's Viking Storm. That's the other one. I think it's freaking epic. So this Asgard Secret, or Asgardian Secret, I'm not sure which one it is, but Basically, it smells subtle. It's nice. It's a pleasant. Now it's making it look like I had no teeth there. We don't like that look. That's a bad look. Okay. So, little things that you learn, right? Okay. So, I'm going to be totally honest. Boom. I haven't done that enough in a sink to be expert style on that, guys. But as you can tell, my beard is freaking soft as crap nice, right? Okay, boom. I like that. I like how it feels. So now, what I do is I go in and I replace the oils right off the bat. And this is a beard elixir, beard oil. A lot of people call it different things. It actually keeps your skin from getting all itchy and stuff. And replaces some of the good natural oil stuff. And it smells freaking delicious. And so, overall, I'll rub that in. Now, sometimes I would put product in to shape it. And I'll have a video on that later on. Today, because I'm going to be dyeing my hair later, I'm not going to put a bunch of product in. But I hope this does help you. Make sure to wash and keep your beard clean and healthy. I'm going to, of course, shape and trim mine up later on. That'll be a different video. Right now, we're just focusing on growing a healthy beard. I want to thank you for subscribing, basically watching, following, liking, whatever you do. Peace, very best wishes, and have a great day.